Ever clicked pay online and felt that little flutter of is this safe? You're not alone. In today's digital world, where transactions happen in milliseconds across continents, knowing your money is secure is paramount. And that brings us to Airwallex. If you're an international business owner, a freelancer working with global clients, or even someone who frequently sends or receives money across borders, you've likely encountered Airwallex. They've carved a niche for themselves, offering a platform for international payments, currency exchange, and global business accounts. But the big question remains, is it safe to pay by Airwallex? Let's dive into what makes a payment platform secure, and then see how Airwallex measures up. At its core, payment security relies on several key pillars: robust encryption, regulatory compliance, fraud prevention measures, and the overall reputation and track record of the company. Encryption is like the digital lock and key for your data. When you enter your payment details, whether it's a card number or bank account information, this data needs to be scrambled in a way that makes it unreadable to anyone who might intercept it. Industry-standard encryption protocols, like TLS, Transport Layer Security, and AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, are crucial here. These protocols ensure that the information transmitted between your device and Airwallex's servers remains private and secure. Then there's regulatory compliance. Financial institutions, including payment platforms like Airwallex, operate under strict rules and regulations set by governing bodies in the regions they operate. These regulations often mandate specific security standards and practices that companies must adhere to. This can include things like data protection laws, anti-money laundering, AML, and Know Your Customer, KYC, procedures, which are designed to prevent illicit activities and ensure the legitimacy of transactions. Fraud prevention is an ongoing battle. Payment platforms need to have sophisticated systems in place to detect and prevent fraudulent transactions. This can involve using artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze transaction patterns, identify suspicious activities, and flag potentially fraudulent payments before they go through. Features like multi-factor authentication, MFA, which adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to provide 2 or more verification factors, also play a significant role in preventing unauthorized access to your account. Finally, the reputation and track record of a company speak volumes. How long has Airwallex been operating? What do their users say about their security? Have they experienced any major security breaches? These are important questions to consider. A company with a long history of secure operations and positive user feedback generally inspires more confidence. So, how does Airwallex fare in these areas? From all available information, Airwallex employs industry-leading encryption standards to protect your data during transmission and storage. They are also regulated by various financial authorities across the globe, including in Australia, Hong Kong, the United Kingdom, the United States, and Singapore. This means they are subject to the stringent security requirements set forth by these regulatory bodies. Furthermore, Airwallex implements various fraud prevention measures, including transaction monitoring and risk assessment. They also offer features like 2-factor authentication to enhance account security. While no platform is entirely immune to security threats, Airwallex appears to take security seriously and invests significantly in protecting its users' funds and data. It's always wise to practice good online security habits yourself, such as using strong, unique passwords, being cautious of phishing attempts, and keeping your devices and software up to date. By combining a secure platform like Airwallex with your own vigilance, you can significantly minimize the risks associated with online payments. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.